If the carriage in your HP OfficeJet Pro 7720 printer stalls and the control panel displays a carriage jam error message, follow these steps to fix the jam and clear the error message. Check the input tray, ink cartridge access area, and rear of the printer, and remove any jammed paper. With the printer powered on, disconnect the power cord and any other attached cables. Unplug the other end of the power cord from its power source. Slide out the input tray and remove it from the printer. Check inside the input tray area with a flashlight and remove any paper found. Open the ink cartridge access door. Slide the carriage all the way to the right, then all the way to the left, removing any obstructions. Through the cutout on the front of the printer, use a flashlight to view the right side of the carriage path. Remove any obstructions jammed on the far right. Close the ink cartridge access door. Squeeze the two tabs on the rear access door and then lower the door, removing any paper found. Squeeze the two tabs on the paper path cover and remove it from the printer. Remove any paper found using two hands if possible. Squeezing the two tabs, insert the paper path cover back into the printer. Close the rear access door. Plug the power cord directly into a wall outlet. Reconnect the other end of the power cord and any other previously attached cables to the printer. The printer powers on automatically. If it does not, press the power button. Make sure paper is loaded and reinsert the input tray into the printer. On the printer control panel, touch OK to attempt to clear the error message. Try to print your document again. If the error persists, try to clear the jam with different media. Slide out the input tray and open the tray extension cover. Load media into the tray that is thicker than normal printer paper, such as photo paper or cardstock. Slide the paper width and length guides inward until they touch the edge of the media. Close the tray extension cover and slide in the input tray. On the printer control panel, touch OK to confirm the size and type of paper, or touch Modify to adjust the settings to match the paper loaded. Touch Copy and then touch Document. Remove any paper from the ADF or automatic document feeder and scanner bed. Touch Copy. A blank copy prints. The thick media travels through the printing path, pushing out any trapped paper and debris. Load your original paper type into the input tray and try to print your document again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Improper placement or installation of the ink cartridges can cause the carriage to jam. Remove and reinsert the cartridges to clear and prevent jams. Open the ink cartridge access door. Make sure the cartridges are in the correct slot. The letter on each ink cartridge label needs to match the corresponding letter on the carriage. Push the ink cartridge and then slide it out of the printer. Remove all cartridges. Reinstall each ink cartridge in its corresponding slot, making sure they are securely in place. With all cartridges reinstalled, close the ink cartridge access door. On the printer control panel, touch OK to attempt to clear the error message. Try to print a document again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Remove the print head and check for obstructions under or around the carriage that might cause jams. Open the ink cartridge access door. With the printer powered on, go to the rear of the printer and disconnect the power cord and any other cables. From the front, move the carriage into the ink cartridge access area. Lift the carriage latch handle to unlock the print head. Without removing the ink cartridges, lift the print head up and out of the printer. Do not bump or rub the bottom of the print head on the printer. Place the print head upside down on a sheet of paper. Do not leave the print head assembly outside the printer for more than 10 minutes. This can damage the print head or the printer. With a flashlight, Check the carriage area and remove any paper or objects found. Hold the print head by its sides with the electrical contacts facing the rear of the printer, and then insert the print head into the carriage. Gently rock the print head to the left and right to make sure it fully seats in the carriage. Lower the carriage latch handle to lock the print head. Close the ink cartridge access door. Plug the power cord directly into a wall outlet. Reconnect the other end of the power cord to the printer, and then reconnect any other previously connected cables. The printer should power on automatically. If it does not, press the power button. Try to print a document again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. If you have completed all the steps and are still experiencing issues, the printer might need to be serviced. Your options for service might vary depending on how long you have owned the printer and what country you live in. Contact HP to find out the support options for your printer.